guys, finally had a chance to get some good coffee down. I think I'm working on half a pot right now, to be honest. I wanted to take this moment to report in. I'm going to have some things posted soon, but I needed my coffee to do it. Good morning. We had a blast yesterday at the Claremont Fall Festival Chili Cook-Off. It was the best day. We couldn't have asked for better weather. We had a huge crowd. I mean, pretty damn huge. We had over 50 vendors who participated. We had 15 competitors for the chili cook-off. We had great music playing. My God, you guys, it was like a flashback from the 80s. I loved it. Even the 70s, too. I have a few things to share. To the Greater Claremont Chamber of Commerce, thank you guys. Every year, I get to briefly, of course, have a chance to talk with you when you come visit me. I am so grateful to you for welcoming my husband and I. We're actually coming from Manchester to Claremont, which is over an hour and 15-minute drive. Well worth it, because every time we come, we feel like it's like this one big family up there. Very welcoming, very warming, and I love the fact that I got repeat customers coming back to the table, including you guys in the chamber. The local businesses are always coming to our table. Hey, how you doing? It's always a family reunion, and we are so grateful to you for welcoming us every time we come. Thank you so much for having us. For the folks that are in the region, I know some of the businesses are coming over. Always so happy to see you guys, and thank you so much for being the most awesome people I know up in Claremont. It's always a beautiful experience when we get to see you guys. So, yep, I am severely burned. Lovely shade of rosy red. Yeah, they had me at the sunny side. I was definitely sunny side up, that's for sure. Some of the folks there, either from competitor tables or from officials, we learned we had the biggest line possible. In fact, one of the videos I have, you'll see from my view to a DJ session. Is it the session over there? Yeah. Behind the DJ area is this big bushy tree. I learned that we had the line from my table over to the parking area by this big bush, well behind the DJ guy. That is freaking awesome. I'm like, okay, you people are really good diehards for this stuff. Loved it. Loved the adrenaline rush. Everyone was awesome. Everyone that kind of was a little apprehensive over ostrich in the chili, I appreciate your honesty. I realized coming in, I was probably going to freak some people out. I knew that was going to happen. One of the best things I can certainly say is I appreciated everyone's honesty. I think it's very important. If you freaked out about it, that's okay. No one's going to be making you do anything you don't want. But I wanted to really go in with something very creative. Horse Feathers Ostrich Farm, wonderful people over in Webster, New Hampshire. We worked together to be able to acquire some of their ostrich shanks. I wanted to get something really creative and inventive. I know I achieved it very well with so many people because I ran out. I ran out early, actually. I have to say thank you to people for honesty. Thank you to the people that were willing to try a small spoonful. And the folks that were willing to even try just the morsel of meat. I respect all of you. That is amazing. So thank you for being honest, upfront, and just being you. That's important. So I wanted to make sure you knew I had no problem with people that didn't want to try it. That is okay. Next year, though, I can't guarantee it's going to be gentle. Was actually talking to my husband about that. So there might be a swift change. I don't know yet. I'm still recovering. However, I'm hopefully going to be getting something built in a video of sorts so you can see what went into the 2 chilies I provided. I have a list of New Hampshire businesses that I have previously posted. Thank you to everyone. I'll have that list reposted again just to show you that everything submitted for the chili cook-off was the best of what New Hampshire does have to offer. It's a small list, and there's so many more out there. So, to everyone, thank you so much. I'm going to get some more coffee, possibly some water. Who knows? Maybe some cream. I could use something here because, honestly, this bird is pretty intense. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.